Hello everyone. We are doing science experiment. Yeah, this is the bag full with water. Normally, when we pop any sharp object on the bag, water leaks. But I'm going to show you the trick when we are going to pop 2 or 3 sharp pencils, and water is not going to leak. You can see here the zip is locked. It's a lock, and the bag is full with water. Yeah, there is no leakage of water anywhere. As you can see, the pencil is popped on both sides. With another pencil, you can see the water didn't leak. Yeah, we are going to show you both sides. Can you see the both side? And here is the third pencil popping over there, and water is not leaking on the other side. Yeah, why that happened? Because if that popped still on the other side as well, there is some objects over there. Yeah, so you can see the air tight is over there, so it's not going to come. Once we are going to take out the pencil, only then the water is going to start coming. Yeah, this experiment you can do with your parents, mom or dad, and maybe in the garden. As you can see, we are doing in the garden. Yeah, now we are going to take pencils one at a time, and you can see the water is going to come out. Yeah, why that happened? Because there is no air pressure over there. Now the water is coming out now. Yeah, I think you are going to enjoy this experiment, and you can do with your parents. Bye bye.